Well, you just had a hazardous waste pickup and now you need to upload the manifest into your record book. You'll log in at ReComply.com using your username and password into the record book. Select the year that you need to upload into. Choose the file. We're going to upload this test manifest. Select the folder. In this case, we're going to go to the manifest folder. Click on upload. Every file needs to be less than 2 megabytes in size, and you will need to log out and re-log in order to see the file. Go to 2021, look at the manifest folder, and there's our test manifest that we just uploaded. Hope this helps. Thank you much. See you next time.